Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 3.1, question number 4 and 3. Chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. In this question number 4 we will do first. In question number 4, find the sum of the angles of the polygons. Figure number 1, it is a triangle. Side 3, and you know the sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree in the practical work. In the activity also we have practically you have explained that how sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So you all know that sum of the three angles of a triangle 180 degree. Now come to the next figure which is four side 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four-sided polygon is known as quadrilateral. So you have to find the interior angle, sum of the angles of the polygon. Sum of the angles of the polygon, how can you find how many, what is the sum of the angles of the polygon? First you have to select any vertex, and from this vertex you have to draw the triangles. How many triangles you can draw? We can see that if I draw this line, then only two triangles we can see, complete two triangles, and the number of triangles, if the side is of the polygon is 4, then two triangles are formed. So how can we find that? The formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. N means the number of side. So here the number of side is 4. So what is the angle sum of this polygon? 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 2 into 180 degree equal to 360 degree. You can see that two triangles can be formed by joining two diagonals, clear two triangles. So the formula is coming n minus 2. N means number of side, minus 2 into 180 degree, sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Now go to the next figure. It is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon. So you have to find the angles in this way also. N minus 2 into 180 degree. Here number of side is 5. Therefore 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 3 into 180 degree. 540 degree. You can see that here also you can draw three triangles. Select any of the vertex and join the line. So how many triangles you can see? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 into 180 degree. But using formula it will be very easy for you. Now come to the next figure. 6-sided polygon is named as hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So using this formula again, n minus 2 into 180 degree equal to 6 minus 2 into 180 degree, 4 into 180 degree, 720 degree. You can see by using that triangular shape also how many triangles can form. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 diagonal from any vertex. Select any vertex and how many triangles can be formed. So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 180 degree, that is 720 degree. So angle sum property of a polygon, by using this formula n minus 2 into 180, you can find the sum of the interior angles of the polygon. Okay, is it clear for all of you? Now come to the next question. In question number 3, read the question properly first. What is the sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? Convex quadrilateral means where the diagonals are inside. In a quadrilateral where the diagonals are inside. What is the sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? First we will solve up to this. Convex quadrilateral, what is, as the side of the polygon is 4, so side is equal to 4, so value of n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4, and you know the angle sum property of a polygon is equal to, therefore sum of the angles of the convex quadrilateral equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, the same way as we have done in the previous sum. N here it is 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 2 into 180 degree, that is 360 degree. Now as the number of sides 4, so in a convex quadrilateral it is 180 degree, 2 into 180 degree, that is 360 degree. Now the next part of the question, will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? If the quadrilateral is not convex, so look at this figure, it is a not convex means not convex, or we can say that it is concave quadrilateral. In a concave quadrilateral where the one angle, where all the diagonals are not inside. See here, if these two non-consecutive side we add, the diagonal will be outside. So it is a non-convex quadrilateral, that is concave quadrilateral. In this concave quadrilateral, the question is this will this property hold that the sum of the convex quadrilateral is 360 degree? Is it 360 degree for this concave quadrilateral also? Why not? Because the side is 1, 2, the side we can see that 1, 2, 3 and 4. So n is here also 4. So side equal to 4 here. The n is 4. So the sum will be 360 degree as well as it is convex or concave, no matter. So thus it will be applicable. Is it, will this property hold if the quadrilateral is convex? Then the answer you have to write. So quadrilateral is non-convex. Yes, we can say that yes, this property hold for non-convex quadrilateral. Okay, 2 sums only we have done today. Practice this, students. Thank you.